Today's activity is going to be about footwork. I'm going to ask you to get a pen and paper and write down all the activities so that you can turn this device off, go outside and do them yourself. The first thing you will need is 2 cones, 2 markers of any type. You'll need a stopwatch. I will have a timer at the end of the video if you don't have a stopwatch, but a stopwatch or a timer, and then just some space to do this. Your setup will be just to take those cones and put them down next to you, a couple feet apart from each other. Today's exercise will be about footwork, so I want you to focus mostly on my feet and how we're doing these exercises. First thing you're going to do is a simple jog in place. You're going to do that for 1 minute, so set the timer for 1 minute. Warm your body up with a jog in place. Once your body is warm, it's going to be 30 seconds twice, 2 repetitions of 30 seconds, back and forth with our ski jumps, back and forth like this, where you're on your toes. The foot that's down is on your toe, but that middle foot is almost extended in the air as you go back and forth. After you do that, you'll come to one side and we'll go back and forth. 2 repetitions of 30 seconds. Feet together, jump, jump, come back, jump, jump. And again, you're just gonna keep going back and forth for 30 seconds. Do that twice. Now, almost using your cones like an agility ladder, you're gonna set your timer again for 30 seconds and do this twice. Going back and forth, I'm gonna show you slow first. Back and forth, forward and backwards, up and back. So 2 feet up, 2 feet back, 2 feet up, 2 feet back. And once you pick up the pace a little, it'll look like this. So 2 repetitions of 30 seconds on that one. Now step next to those cones, and you're going to step over, 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 over. But your outside foot goes first, so you have room for that inside foot, and then it switches. This side goes first and makes room for this foot. So a little faster. Back and forth. And it'll be 2 repetitions, 2 reps of 30 seconds. Now working on some balance, you're gonna step in between them. Balance on one foot, going back and forth, touching those cones with the other. 30 seconds on each foot twice. So you'll do 30 seconds, then you'll switch with which foot is your plant foot, the foot that's down, and you'll go back and forth the other way, and then do it again. So 30 seconds on each foot twice. Now we're gonna move on to some fast feet. 30 seconds twice, 2 repetitions of 30 seconds. And our fast feet, of course, is getting those feet up and down as fast as you can. 2 repetitions of 30 seconds. All right, and then you'll shake your legs out, move on to a 1 minute jog, just a 1 minute cool down jog. And then that'll be it for today. So hope you wrote everything down. Turn that device off, be able to do this exercise on your own. If you do want the timer's at the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay active.